Hello and welcome to Ekal Bharat. I am Ishani and you are watching Weekly Highlights. Today's first news is the annual festival of Ekal Sri Hari Foundation was celebrated on 5th January 2025 at Bharat Mandapam in the capital, Delhi. The event was attended by thousands of people. The program started with Hanuman Chalisa and lighting of lamps, after which chief guest Rajya Sabha MP and thinker Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi overwhelmed everyone with his inspirational speech. The main attraction of the program was the dance drama Janani, in which the renunciation and sacrifice of women was beautifully presented. This event not only inspired the audience but also represented the objectives of Ekal Abhiyan for social service. Second news. On 29th December 2024, Ekal Abhiyan's Arogya Foundation of India organized a Sant Sammelan and medical camp under Arogya Prakalp at Jogmudi, Nasik division. The event started with lighting of lamps and Omkar. Chief guest Mr. Prakash Ji Ladda, President Maharashtra Division Committee and Treasurer Mr. A.K. Khanna shared their views. Dr. Umesh Palsikar gave information on acupuncture, while Arogya Foundation's ARC and telemedicine work was explained by Kavita Tai Pawar and Kusumtai Jadhav. Ekal workers were felicitated in the event. The event was a huge success under the guidance of Division Committee. Third news. On 4th and 5th January 2025, Ekal Sri Hari Mumbai chapter organized a 2-day Van Yatra in Dang and Tapi regions of Gujarat province. 47 members of Mumbai chapter participated in this trip. During the trip, the participants experienced Shaurya Prakashan class at Shabri Dham, Pampa Sarovar and GRC Center, Songad. This trip was not only an opportunity to admire the natural beauty, but also become a platform to understand the work of Ekal Abhiyan. Fourth news. The grand inauguration ceremony of 88th Rath of Ekal Abhiyan was held on 3rd January 2025 under the aegis of Sri Hari Satsang Samiti in Kolkata. On this historic occasion, the holy presence of three senior saints, Param Pujya Sadguru Riteshwar Ji Maharaj, Revered Shri Girishanand Ji Maharaj and Satvi Ritumbara Ji, Didi Ma, added divinity to the program. The devotees present in the program enthusiastically worshipped the chariot. On this occasion, the speakers highlighted the objectives of Ekal Abhiyan and called for social service and protection of Sanatan Dharma. Fifth news. Recently, a divisional sports function was organized in Sri Mutsar Sahib. 380 children participated enthusiastically in this competition and displayed their talents in competitions like kabaddi, running, high jump and long jump. Central Sports Chief Sri Raghvendra Saini and Division Vice President Sri Kavarjit Jayanti were present for special guidance in the program. 36 children were selected for the upcoming national sports competition from this event. Sixth news. Division level sports competition was organized on 4th and 5th January 2025 at Saryu Plus 2 High School, Sursand in North Bihar Division. Students from 10 districts including Sitamarhi, Madhubani, Darbhanga and Katihar participated in it. Chief guest SSB Commandant Shri Kuhiram Banya motivated the students in his motivational speech. The selected children will get a chance to participate in the national competition to be held in Odisha. The program concluded with the vote of thanks by Division President Dr. P.R. Sultania. Today's 7th news. A Van Yatra was organized by the new members of Bithor Sant School in Prempur. The teacher Khushbu Devi has completed her MA and has been teaching at the Ekal Vidyalaya for almost 2 years. She teaches with great dedication and the children created paintings and bouquets which they presented to all the members. The village committee was also very active and the children answered all the questions asked correctly. Workers from both the zone and centre were present during the Van Yatra. That's all for today. Keep watching Ekal Bharat.